Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to accept Zelle payments directly on your website in 2025 using an easy method. So step 1, register a US bank account that supports Zelle. Step 2, enable Zelle business profile and verify your email or phone number. Step 3, create a Pay Now with Zelle button and link it using a mail-to or deep link format. Step 4, add instructions like send this amount of dollars to your email account. And step 5, include order or form fields so customers can reference invoice numbers. And step 6, set an email workflow in your form tool to confirm payment. And that's it. Instant Zelle payments without codes or complex integrations. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.